High Priest Julio, God is about to wipe out a city. It's going to be a major hurricane. It's going to be labeled 5, powerful, but it's beyond 5. God is calling it 6, but do the world know? High Priest Julio, major prophecy is about to take place. Did anybody hear what I just said?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Prophet Jamie,
sir.
right side 31.
Prophet Jamie. Then he said, "You shall be delivered into the hand of the king of Babylon."
Left side
Moral-
32. Moral of the story.
Prophet Jamie. As whirlwinds in the south pass through, so it comes from the desert.
Amen.
Amen.
Have faith and post it. Watch what God do. Major storm is coming. It's going to shock the world. They won't know God's ability. I see Levi. His prophecy come true. Akasivo kolesimai. State what this means, Prophet Jamie.
The proclamation God has already set in place. He's going to deliver them into the hands of somebody they don't even know. And it's going to happen so quickly, it's going to make their head spin.
Right, that with that six color salary. Isala loco lay by Colisi by go see by Alela Colisi clay by co Kisita by the local city to bay. You see Taylor level Baby see your lama and some mindfully. I never baba see fight cause if it types of fight call a papa cause set all a lean. You love a cause it I feel all baba in combine cause it the couple local college vine. I like cause I take a see follow at that local level into the water go.